Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. This is the Deux Montagnes station. So we got REM testing up here in Lac des Deux Montagnes, or just Deux Montagnes really. Actually, this is the St. Dorothy station. What am I saying? Yep. So there it goes. Unfortunately, they got this kind of a lattice work here, so it's hard to see through it. I'll see if I can get another train coming through. And honestly, they've changed the station so much, I don't even know what this is now. But this is really cool. The station's almost ready to go. I biked up here, took the ferry. It is now $2 to take that ferry from Ile Bizzard up here to Deux Montagnes. $2! Can't believe it. Way to rip me off. And as you can see, they built a brand new bridge. This used to be a crossing, a railway crossing, level crossing. Completely unrecognizable. Where that is there, that turnaround for buses, I guess, there used to be like a dépanneur there. It's gone. I think it's been torn down. Oh well. Unbelievable. Now, I've been here before. I've known some of the changes that were here. I came here when they were stringing catenary and this station was half finished. But now it looks like it's completely done. And ready to go. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to come back. Anyways, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.